Welcome to the NMS Corvette Optimizer. In this video, I'll walk you through all features and show you exactly how everything works. Start by clicking Open. Here you can choose between Steam saves, Xbox saves, or a single file. Select your save and load it into the editor. Select a Corvette from the list on the left. On the right side, you'll find the Optimizer and Object tools. The Optimizer automatically improves your ship layout. It rearranges parts to give you better in-game stats. For example, important components like generators can be prioritized to maximize their effect. You can also manually adjust your layout, drag objects up or down search for specific parts, delete individual objects, double-click any object to locate it in the JSON. Copy All copies the full JSON of the selected Corvette. You can also use Ctrl+A and Ctrl+C. Paste All replaces the current Corvette with your copied data, or use Ctrl+V to paste directly. Load File lets you import data into the selected Corvette slot. You can load different types of files, full ship's object lists, or only tech data. Supported formats include NMS ship files, which include both structure and tech, JSON or TXT files, which contain structure-only SO files, which contain only tech data. You can also load only objects into a Corvette. These will be added directly to the object list. Save writes your changes directly to your game save. Use this when you want to apply changes immediately. Save As exports your Corvette to your computer. You can choose different formats. NMS ship file, which includes both structure and tech. JSON or TXT, which includes only the structure SO file, which includes only the tech data. This allows you to reuse or share your ships easily. When importing or pasting data, the NMS Corvette Optimizer protects your save automatically. User data IDs are preserved to prevent broken or invalid ships. The NMS Corvette Optimizer also protects the base type. If you import something that isn't a player ship, it will not overwrite critical ship data. This helps prevent common mistakes when importing from tools like Blender or BBA. If your save was already broken before using this tool, you can fix it using the Ship Slot Manager. The Ship Slot Manager separates structure data and tech data. This allows you to detect and fix mismatches between them. You can reorder your ships, delete individual ships, add a minimal Corvette, and create backups. This is especially useful if your save was modified by other tools. That's everything you need to get started. You can now safely edit, import, and optimize your ships. Now we're going to show you a common workflow. Select the Corvette you want to change, then click Copy All. Switch to Blender. In the NMS Base Builder plugin, click Import from Clipboard. Now edit your Corvette to your liking. For example, you can build a completely new design or modify an existing one. When you're done, go to the NMS Base Builder tab and export to Clipboard. Go back to the NMS Corvette Optimizer. With the Corvette already selected that you want to replace, click Paste All to insert your copied code. If the objects are not optimized, click Optimize Corvette before saving. The same way goes for the Base Builder app. Open the menu and click Import from NMS. Paste your Corvette and import it. Now edit your build to your liking. When you're done, open the menu again and select Export to NMS. Choose Entire Base or Only Objects. If you copy only objects, the NMS Corvette Optimizer will automatically place them correctly, even if a full ship slot is selected. Now switch to No Man's Sky. Open the Options menu and click Reload Restore Point. You will now see the Corvette you just imported in your game. Now that you've seen the basic workflows, let's take a look at a few additional features. These features give you more control over your Corvettes and your save. Let's say one of your Corvettes is fully upgraded with S-Class technology, but another Corvette is not. You can copy the tech from one Corvette to another. Open the NMS Corvette Optimizer. Select the Corvette that has the technology you want. Click Save As and choose the SO file format. This will export only the tech data. Now select the Corvette you want to upgrade. Click Load File and select the SO file you just saved. Click Open, then click Save. Now switch to No Man's Sky. Open the Options menu and click Reload Restore Point. You will now see that the technology has been transferred. Keep in mind, it may not be exactly the same. Each Corvette has its own core technology, which can affect the final layout. You can also reorder your bases. For example, if a base is not at the top of your teleport list, you can change that. Open the NMS Corvette Optimizer. Find your base in the list. Drag it to the position you want, for example, to the top. Then click Save. Now go back to No Man's Sky. Open the Options menu and click Reload Restore Point. When you check your teleport list, your base will now appear in the new position. That's everything for this video. I hope this helped you understand how the tool works. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments.